Jambo, and welcome to this tutorial. We'll be talking about how to get your remote files to your local repository with what we call cloning. So basically, how do you get these files here on GitHub Basics? How do I get these files to here? Okay, so what I'm going to do is just take a risk and delete this folder. Work with me. In case we don't succeed, we'll be together on it. I'm going to delete all these files from here, even the Git file. Let me just move everything to the bin. Okay. Then I'm going to copy this URL here and then come here and say clear. So the command that I'm going to use is git clone and then the URL to the repository. So basically you're trying to get all this folder structure, similar one, and click away. This folder structure that we had, we want to find it locally. I had not, let me just compare and say version 1, create pull request. I want the version 4. Checking for merge pull request. We are going to pass through all this. For now, let me see code. Okay, feature 4 is here because remember feature 4 will not show you. Okay, so I'm going to come here and say git clone because we want all this folder structure to show in our local machine. So git clone and then the URL. Let's press enter and see cloning. Okay, and it's done. If we open GitHub Basics, feature 1 to the last one, if I go to the local repository and you can see GitHub Basics, so the main folder is GitHub Basics. Alternatively, what I'm going to do is just delete everything here. Move to bin, then navigate up on Git and GitHub, delete GitHub Basics. Ooh la la. Move to bin, sorry. Okay, so it's entirely gone from our local machine, as you can see, GitHub Basics. I'm going to open a new repository. Open. And I'm going to say open, so it's just GitHub. Okay, all these files, and if I open the terminal here because I want to use it here, and then say git clone and then give the other repository cloning, it's giving GitHub Basics, as you can see. If I go back to my local and do here, everything is fine as it was before. So that's how you can clone an online repository to a local one. Okay, I want to open this locally, so open folder, Git and GitHub, GitHub Basics, and I say open. Okay, so that's it. This is how so far it's been. See you in the next tutorial, now that you are able to learn everything that protects cloning. If you want to check out the branches, git branch, it's just the master branch. I don't know what's happening here. Let me commit, say yes. Okay, so we've cloned whatever is online, so let's use git. We want to see if everything that was online is local, so let me just say git remote show origin and see what is there. Remote origin fetch URL is this, which is okay. So if we want to, let's git fetch and see, will this work? let's see. So if I do git branch, I'm trying to get, it's just the master branch. Okay, so if we want to get all these branches, so we have branch number 1, view all branches. I'm trying to see if we are able to get all the branches that were online, to get them to come to our local repository, because if we go to Git, let me show you what I'm trying to achieve. Refs, remotes, origin, we only have the head. Okay, so I'm trying to see how to get it to our local repository. Once you clone, you will only receive one branch, that is git. If we do git branch, it will only show us see the master branch. If I do git branch -a, it's going to show us all the, see, master branch, origin, master branch, and then the master branch and version 1. Okay, so git branch -r is going to show us all the remote tracking files. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can be able to clone whatever is online to our local machine. See you in the next tutorial where we'll be learning about what is upstream branches with and without it. See you then.